Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony One price update, and the current price for Harmony One stands at the $0.08 mark, and on trading view the market is up by 2.9%, and at the moment we are having a bit of a recovery to the upper side. The market is trying to push to the upper side, and we are going back into this yellow target that I have up here, that is between the $0.11 mark and the $0.08 mark. So this is where most of my buy orders got triggered, and that's not financial advice, so don't buy, hold or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis. And in this video I want to give the key expectations that I expect to see play out on this chart, and the key resistances that we need to break above. And before I do that, for those that are new to the page, make sure that you consider subscribing to the channel as a way of supporting this small channel. So the first key scenario that I expect us to see on this chart is once we continue pushing the market higher and go back into this yellow target once more, it's possible for us to go to around the $0.11 mark, where we'll be facing key resistance. And if we manage to break above that, that would be very positive for Harmony One. And once that happens, I expect us to maybe have a retest of that zone. And once we have a retest of that zone, we can continue pushing the market higher, unlock even higher prices, break above the $0.15 mark resistance, and go to around the $0.21 mark. And that's very possible because you can also see that on the RSI we are in the oversold region. That means we have room for us to continue pushing higher. So there is room on the RSI for us to see higher prices, and in case that also happens, maybe we might see a bullish cross on the MAs. And once that happens and we trade above the 20-day and 50-day MA, they will give us support, and that would mean it's possible for us to continue seeing higher prices. So that's the first key scenario that I expect to play out on the Harmony One chart. And for that to also happen, Bitcoin will play a major role in that movement, because if we see lower prices for Bitcoin, it's possible for us to also see a dip on the Harmony One chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll also keep you updated once we continue seeing higher and lower prices for Harmony One. It's also possible for us to maybe have a bounce to the upper side, and at around the $0.11 mark we get rejected. And once we face rejection over there, it's possible for us to go back into this yellow target down here. So that's another key possible scenario that can play out. And in case we continue seeing higher prices, and in my first case scenario, and go to around the $0.21 mark, I think because maybe we have seen the low for the ABC correction, it's possible for us to continue seeing higher prices in this Elliott wave pattern, having a wave 5 taking us to an all-time high. That's very possible, because I think what Harmony One is doing at the moment, it has seen its ABC correction, and on seeing an ABC correction, the next wave that follows is a wave that can take us to an all-time high. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.